Hey guys, my name is Tom, and in this video I am going to give an example using fractions to solve an exercise, okay? That involves sharing things. So let's take a look. Imagine we have a group of people. So imagine we have this person here. Okay, maybe this is my friend's cousin here. I don't know. Who knows? So you have one person, then we have another person. Then we have a third person. And then we have a fourth person. Okay? So you have four people in our group of people, okay? And what these people are going to do is share, and you guessed it, a pizza pie. There we are. Excuse me. But this is one of those modern pizza pies. So you know what? Instead of being circular, we are going to make it huge and square. Why not? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we are. It's not really a pie anymore, it's a pizza square. Why not? Okay. So imagine the following happens. My friend here comes, and because as you can see he's comparably bigger than the other little guys, he takes for himself here, okay? He's got a big smile on his face too. He takes for himself half this pie. Once the square, half the pizza square, he takes for himself. Okay. So we would do this. We would take the one pie here, and we would split that into two equal pieces, okay? So it would look like this now. Let me make sure I draw things correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. There we are. Okay, and say he takes this half of it for himself. So my friend Pink over here is taking this piece here and he's eating it. Okay, so that is gone. He's eating that, okay? And then, of course, these people come along here and they say, what about us? We want some pizza too. And now, the question is, what fraction of the original pizza does each person get? That is the fraction to be found, okay? So what fraction of the original pizza does each person receive? So let's see whether we can find that number, okay? And the way to do it, of course, is as follows. Well, this is the one original pizza square. We've split it first into two pieces. This piece has already been consumed by our friend Pinko here, who's quite hungry. And then these four kids, I guess, come along, and they want to take this one half and divide it equally among themselves. So what we will write is this. I think we've got to step aside for a second here. We will take that and we will divide that by 4 because we have 4 individuals. So we have to share the 1/2 remaining among the 4 individuals. That is the key step. So what we'll do is write this. We'll take 1/2 remaining here. So I will shade that a purplish color here. We're taking the remaining 1/2 and we are going to divide this by 4, which is in other words like saying split the remaining 1/2 among 4 people equally. So what we have then, of course, is 1 over 2 times 4, which is 1 over 8. So what this tells us is the following. Once our friend Penko has consumed a half of the square pizza here, and he runs away, you see he's got a big belly here. Okay, and he's like, anyway, once he's done that, then the 1/2 that remains is split evenly among 4 people, which means each person receives only 1/8 of the original pizza. Okay, that is all that each person receives, which is 1/8 of the original pizza. Okay, so in other words, you take your 1/2 that remains and split that, if possible, evenly among 4 people. So that may not be so easy to show here. Okay, so you're gonna have to estimate things a little, but roughly this is the idea. You see? There you go. The remaining 1/2 has been split evenly among the remaining 4 people, which means each person receives 1/8 of the original pie. So what you might say here is draw an arrow, and here, this person will receive that much of the pie. This person will receive that much of the pie. This person will receive that much of the pie. And the last person will receive that much of the pie. You see? That's the breakdown. Begin with the whole thing. Penko here is quite hungry, gets a big half for himself, and of course he's much bigger. And then the remaining 1/2 is split equally among 4 people, which means that each of those individuals receives 1/8 of the original big one pizza. That's it. Okay? So this is a common type of application of fractions, using them to see how things are shared among individuals, okay, or in some similar fashion. Now, and there are many variations on these exercises. This is just one of them. Well, but that's it for this one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to smile and have an absolutely amazing day.